yeah, take it, make it nasty. But Shawty claiming that she got me red-handed, cheating with the girl next door. Squeeze them.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week, you guys, so I hope that you check out my videos and you are part of the notification squad. Okay, you guys, Thank you so much for watching how I installed this particular unit, you guys. I think I did an okay job. I'm looking at myself and I'm like, okay. I think of course I can improve on my baby hairs, but we already know about that.
We're not going to address that today in this video.
Okay, but today I wanted to bring you a black-owned wig company, you guys, and I am pleasantly surprised at the way this unit came out. Okay, Delightful Braided Wigs, all right, and they specialize in cornrow wigs, box braids, Senegalese twists, and they have hair growth products, you guys. Okay, this is the unit on my head. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. I feel like it looks super realistic, you guys. This is supposed to be, I believe, the knotless braids. And let me get my phone just to make sure. It is the knotless box braid wig in the style Mary. Okay, it's a full lace. It's a long, all right, between 30 to 32 inches, and it's a medium cap size. Okay, the color is 1. And I will leave all details about this unit down below. I am pleasantly surprised. I think this looks very, very, very realistic. I think if people were to look at me, they would think that I just got my hair braided. I could have worn this in Ghana. I should have worn this in Ghana. All right, because it's so beautiful. And then look at the braids, you guys. The braids are even. Like I said, it's a full lace. Okay. And my battery's about to die. So, sorry everyone, I had to switch over because my camera died. So this quality from my computer that I'm using right now may not be the best quality. So I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so yeah. So again, I think the construction of the unit is gorgeous. I think the lace is like, it matches my skin tone like perfectly. Yeah, I really don't think I have a problem with the unit per se. I think what my concern was, again, like what I was saying earlier, was the shipping. It took forever, ever for this to ship. I was like, are you serious? Are you kidding me? I mean, it was to the point where I believe they sent like a satisfaction survey to my email asking me like, how did you feel about the unit, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, what you talking about? I haven't even gotten the unit. Hello? What you talking about? So I think once they realized I hadn't gotten the unit, they contacted me immediately. They texted me, which I had never had a company do that before ever in my life. I was thinking to myself, wait a minute, how'd you get my number? How'd you get my number? But anyway, they had texted me, and they were just pretty much wanted to confirm my package. They wanted to confirm that I received the package. Because after I had, I think, replied to that survey that they had sent me or something, my package came like probably like in a couple of days after that. And then they had texted me asking if I, received my package. I was a little salty. I'm not going to lie. I was a little salty at first. I was like, yeah, I got it, but it took forever. I was not the nicest. I was even kind of complaining a little bit about the length because for some reason I thought I had ordered like super duper long hair. But, they had to show me a screenshot of what was coming, what I had ordered. And this is pretty much what I had ordered. So I had to kind of eat my words. And then I was like, okay, I wanted to wear this to Ghana. Didn't feel comfortable installing it and doing all that because I was too busy trying to prepare for Ghana. So I was like, oh, I'll just do it in the new year. And so, yeah. But the one thing I do have to say about this company, honestly, no matter how salty and rude I was as a customer, they were always very professional, They wanted to make sure that I was satisfied. They were even willing to have me send the unit back and redo it to my specifications and my desires. So I really appreciated that. Just the fact that they were willing to do that. Again, something else that I didn't really kind of appreciate. There's more pros than cons, honestly. There's only really 2 cons. One was the shipping, took forever. And the second one was the shipping cost. Like, yeah, this is another thing I really kind of did not appreciate. The hair cost $180. Okay. Bam. Okay. Right? The shipping was $35. I wasn't really expecting that until I had, I think, paid. And by then I was already kind of committed to getting the unit. So my total was $215. I wasn't expecting that extra $35 because the way it was advertised, it was that the company was based in New York. So I'm thinking, why is shipping $35 if it's based in New York? Well, and so I asked that question, and so, you know, via the text messages as we were going back and forth. And so they clarified that the units are made in Nigeria, okay, and shipped to the U.S., and that's why the shipping cost was $35. I had no idea. I think I would have appreciated knowing that ahead of time, you know, to know that I'll be paying that much in shipping. By the time I pressed confirm, I was already committed to getting the wig. So knowing me the way I am, I'm like, oh, you know, I'm just going to go ahead and click it. But, yeah, I think that would have swayed my decision if I would have known ahead of time that it was made in Nigeria and shipped to the U.S. and then shipped to me. Again, I think that was another reason why it took over 2 to 3 weeks before I got my unit, and I was not expecting that at all. I was expecting my unit to come, you know, in a week or so, you know, but not like 3 weeks. You know, it was to the point where I thought, oh my God, did they forget about my order? Like, what's that about? But yeah, just those 2 things really I didn't really appreciate. But overall, I am pleased with the company. I think they have quality units. I think it'll be something that you would definitely enjoy. And yeah, all right. Yeah. So if you have any questions about this, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. And yeah, all right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.
I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa.